Does your hair fall flat while you're blow drying it, leaving you with way less volume than you want? These rollers solve that problem for me, and make sure you watch until the end because I'll show you the difference they've made in my styling routine. My hair is super thick and I needed something to hold my hair back while I was blow drying it that would also give it some body and lift. The first time I saw these, I was actually at my hairstylist salon. She used them on my hair while styling it, and I thought it was absolutely brilliant. My hair had more lift, more shape, and the styling process seemed so much easier. So, of course, I came home and bought some for myself. You get 4 large aluminum core hair rollers in the set. They feature a heat-sensitive aluminum inner core that helps distribute heat efficiently, plus a self-grip outer layer that helps hold your hair in place without needing a bunch of clips. What I love most is how easy they are to use. I simply section my hair, roll it while blow drying, and let the rollers help create shape and volume while keeping everything out of the way. And if you're worried they'll only work for bangs, don't be. I use them throughout the top sections of my hair whenever I want extra body and movement. The biggest difference I've noticed is that my hair doesn't look flat after styling. It has more lift at the roots, more fullness, and that salon-style bounce that can be very hard to achieve at home. I love having a tool that helps manage it while I'm styling it instead of fighting with it the whole time. If I can make one thing in your life easier today, let it be this. These rollers fixed my problem of trying to hold thick hair out of the way while blow drying and gave me the extra volume and body I was looking for at the same time. Check them out today. You'll be so glad you did.